Hello, assalamu alaikum, all viewers and dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are proceeding to the same chapter, vector MCQs question number 70. So, if A dot B is equal to 1 and A cross B is equal to mod magnitude is equal to 1, what is the angle? Theta is required. Angle theta is required here. What is theta? Between A and B and both vector. So we are applying both properties A dot B and A cross B. A dot B is the dot product or scalar product and A cross B is vector product or cross product. Both results are equal to 1. So we are applying. That means that dot product is equal to cross product. Dot product is equal to cross product or vector product. So dot product we are using the property A dot B is equal to A magnitude, B magnitude and cos theta and here and cross and this result A cross B. So A magnitude, B magnitude and sine theta. Both results are equal. So both results are equal. It means that these results are equal. A magnitude, B magnitude, cos theta is equal to A magnitude, B magnitude, and sine theta. So both results are cancelled to each other, and here dividing both sides by cos theta, here the result is equal to 1 dividing both sides by sine theta. So we get here this one is equal to sine theta. We get here 1 is equal to tangent theta. And here we are required theta. Theta is equal to tangent inverse 1. So the result is tangent inverse is equal to pi by 4. So this result is equal to pi by 4. And this option we have selected here. C as the correct option is the correct answer. Theta is required if A dot B is equal to 0. So that is given that A dot B is equal to 0. What is the answer here? So the same dot product apply here. A dot B is equal to A magnitude and B magnitude cos theta. Dear student, look here. We are using A dot B, so that is given. If condition is given A dot B is equal to 0, A magnitude, B magnitude, cos theta. So dividing both sides by this result, A magnitude and B magnitude, and here we divide A magnitude and B magnitude, both are cancelled, and here we get cos theta is equal to 0. So theta is required. What is the angle? Theta is required. Theta we can write cos inverse 0, and cos inverse 0 is equal to, that is equal to pi by 2. Cos 90 is equal to 0. So if we check this result, we can write here also 90 degree, but and the question is already given in the radian case. So we select here pi by 2 is the correct answer, and question number 71 part B is correct answer. Is equal to 0, 3 under root and A cross B is equal to 1. Then the angle between them, we have already found this result in the question number 70. So both properties, if we are applying here, what is the result we will get here? So f A dot B is equal to A magnitude and B magnitude cos theta. Then angle is also required. We are finding theta, and similarly A cross B is equal to here A magnitude and B magnitude sine theta. So both result, if we are applying here theta in the first case are 3 under root is equal to a magnitude and b magnitude as theta. Similarly, here a cross b is equal to 1, a cross b is equal to 1, a magnitude and b magnitude sine theta. If we dividing the first equation, divide the first equation by 6, second divide second equation by first, so we will get here 1 divided by 1, 3 under root is equal to a magnitude b magnitude sine theta and a magnitude b magnitude cos theta. Both are cancelled this one, so the result is tangent 1 over 3 under root is equal to tangent theta. But here theta is required, we can write tangent inverse 1 by 3 under root. So this result is equal to, we will get pi by 3, pi by 6, pi by 6 is equal to 30. So the question is, and the form is degree. So we select here option A is the correct answer. Perpendicular means that P dot Q is equal to 0 if we apply, but here R is given, R this value is unknown. What is the result of this result? So according to the perpendicular case, and the perpendicular case, if they are perpendicular, so we already use this property a dot b is equal to 0. So here p dot q is equal to 0. So both are perpendicular in this case. We apply that property. If we replace here 2i minus j plus 2k, so the result is the result dot 3i plus 2rj. So the result will be equal to what? 2 multiplied by 3, we get 2 into 3, 2 dot 3 and I dot I. And here plus, we get here minus 1 and minus 1 multiplied by 2r and j dot j. And k is absent, so that result is equal to 2 and dot 0 is equal to 0. Here get C 6 and I dot I, as we know that I dot I is equal to 1 and J dot J is equal to 1 and K dot K is equal to 1. All these properties we have discussed in the previous video. So here we get 1 and minus 2 r j dot j is equal to also 1 and this is 0 and 0. So we get there 2 minus r is equal to j and 6 is equal to 2r. R is equal to 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And here we get the answer is D is the correct answer and D is 3. And Q be any two vectors and these vectors make an angle of theta between them, then the Q magnitude cos theta is projection of, what is the projection of given that one? According to the projection of that property, projection of A on B is equal to A dot B is equal to B magnitude and A dot B is equal to, we know that A dot B is equal to A magnitude and B magnitude cos theta. Cos theta. Here the properties is given that in the form of this one, here in replace of A, P we are used and in replace of B we use Q vectors. So the same result we will get here. The projection of projection of P on Q. So the result will be equal to what? P dot Q and Q magnitude. And P dot Q we can write here P magnitude and Q magnitude. So the result is cos theta. But here, look here, and this result is given. This result is given to you. So it means that so it means that the result is the projection on, and Q is in the direction of P. Q is in the direction of P. We can write here. This result is given to you in the question. Q magnitude cos theta. So it means that Q is the projection of P on Q is given. So Q is in the direction of P. Q is in the direction. It means that Q is the direction of P. So we check here in the answer question number this part. C is the correct answer because Q is in the direction of P and Q is in the direction of X axis. That is not applicable here. So C is the correct answer. 75 if P and Q are in two sides of triangle PQR, then the area of triangle is required. Area of triangle and triangle of two vectors are given and their sides also of triangle PQ. So we know that the formula of any triangles of triangle area of triangle, or we can also denote it by delta 1 divided by 2a cross b. This is the general formula. If any two vectors of the side of triangle are given, so according to this formula, so here just the name is changed here. Area of triangle 1 by 2, we use P multiplied by Q magnitude. So here the correct answer is given. B is the correct answer in this. So parallel vector is required. Then A dot B is equal to, what is the result? Dot product is given according to the dot property. So we are applying A magnitude and B magnitude cos theta. Here theta is also given that, and what is the result of A dot B? A magnitude and B magnitude is also given. So A magnitude is A and B magnitude is B. Cos theta, theta is 180 degree. 180 degree. If we are calculate and check by calculator, cos 180 degree is equal to -1. So we substitute this result AB into -1. So we get here minus AB. The correct answer is minus AB. D option is here correct answer. D is the correct answer. Are in two position vectors of the point A and point B, and C is another point. Divide the position vector internally, one is externally, and internally we are add the results and their ratio, and externally we are subtract their ratio, their position vector. What will be the position vector of A? So according to the question, the position vector we are making here. Example, O is AOA and B is given that point A and point A. So here the position vector of A and B is the position vector of B, and C divide this points and the ratio of C is another point which divides the ratio of m n. So according to the formula, we are applying here internally MA, the position vector of C is required, OC. Position vector of C is required. We can write position vector of C, we can represent OC. So MA plus, and this point is NB divided by M plus N. So we get this point internally. What is the result? Check the option, and option A is here the correct option, and this result is available according to the formula. So this answer is their property. If they are dot product, so the result will be equal to 1. So for example, if A is equal to A1 I plus A2j plus A11K. Similarly, B is equal to A1J and B2J plus C2K. If they are dot product, if we are finding, so dot product A1, A2, and here we put A2, and here I dot I and B1, B2, J dot J, and plus C1, C2, K dot K. So these results will be equal to parallel. If their results are I dot add, we get one A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2, because this one is 1 and this one A dot K is equal to 1. So this result is if their dot product is equal to here. So the result is given 0. So it means that here B correction option is correct, and here B is the correct answer. A and B are parallel to each other. 49. Two non-zero vector U and V are parallel if U cross V is equal to what? 0, 1, minus 1, 2. These are the options are given. So according to the definition of parallels, if any two vectors are parallel, A and B, so between them theta will be equal to 0. So according to this definition, if we are applying A cross B, so A magnitude, B magnitude, sine theta, and here A and B sine 0. So the result will be equal to sine 0 is equal to 0. So result is 0. Applying U magnitude and V magnitude sine theta. Theta is the angle between two vectors because they are parallel. Parallel means here the angle between two vectors is magnitude. U magnitude is equal to U and V UV and sine 0. Sine 0. So UV and V sine 0 is equal to 0. So the result is 0. And here the correct option is A is the correct answer here. Because the magnitude is given and theta is also given. They are dot product, cross product, no cross product, and dot product is given. Dot product means scalar product. So A dot B magnitude is equal to A magnitude and B magnitude cos theta. Theta is also given that. So A dot B, if we are simplify here A magnitude, if we put the values of here, A magnitude is given 3 and 2 4 and cos 60. Cos 60. What is the result of cos 60? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So we get here for 12 and 12 1 by 2. 2 we get here 6. 6 is the correct answer. C is the correct option. In this case, according to the dot product or scalar product. Vector which is used to represent the direction of the given vector is called. This is the definition of unit vector. According to the definition of unit vector, we have unit vector is that vector whose direction of the same vector and the magnitude of the given vector is called unit vector. According to this definition, magnitude of a vector which is used to represent the direction of a given vector. That is the direction of a given vector. Direction of given vectors and whose magnitude of the given vector. So that is called unit vector. That is called unit vector. This is the definition of unit vector whose magnitude is 1, whose magnitude is 1. That is called unit vector. 82 if A is given and B is given, then the angle between A dot B, A and B is what? So according to the definition of A dot B, we have A dot B is equal to A magnitude and B magnitude cos theta. Cos theta is required, so we write here cos theta A dot B and A magnitude B magnitude. So A dot B, A is also given I plus K dot J, I plus J, and here magnitude. If we are finding their magnitude, this will be 2 under root and this will be also 2 under root. So we will get I dot I and I dot j is equal to 0, k dot I is equal to 0 and I dot k dot j is equal to 0. So we get here 2 under root square. Both result is cancel. I dot I is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to, and cos theta is 1 divided by 2. Here theta is required. Theta, what is the angle between theta? We can write theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2. So this result is available in the table cos 60. So cos 60 is the correct answer here. Scalar product of two non-zero vectors A and B is 0. Scalar product means dot product. That is dot product. If two non-zero vector A and B is 0, that is given that here the condition is given A dot B is equal to 0. So A dot B, it means that theta will be 90 degree. The angle between these two dot product are scalar product. That's probably then the norm of their magnitude. What is norm? Norm means here magnitude is required. Magnitude, norm or magnitude, or we can say that or mod, modulus, mod, short we can say that mod, and is required. What is the result of norm of their vector product? So vector product is required. Norm of vector product A cross B is equal to A magnitude, B magnitude sine theta, and here A magnitude is A and B magnitude is B, and sine theta, theta is the angle condition is given sine 90. So AB sine 90 is equal to 0. So no, sorry, sine 90 is equal to 1. Sine 90 is equal to 1. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Sine 90 is equal to 1. And cos 90 is equal to 0. So, result is AB. AB here, the option is AB is D is the correct answer according to the condition. We have B is equal to 0, then A cross B will be equal to what? So here we are using according to the property A dot B is equal to A magnitude and B magnitude cos theta. And here A dot B is equal to 0 is given that A dot B is equal to 0. So what is the result? A cross B. So A cross B using A magnitude and B magnitude sine theta and head. And head is a unit vector whose magnitude is 1. And AB is equal to, here this result is AB sine theta and head. If AB replace, we put the result A dot B is equal to 0. So sine theta and n head is equal to 0. The result is equal to 0. We get the result also 0. So, and correct option is here B. B is the correct option. Is called zero vector. Vector according to the definition of zero vector. Zero vector that vector whose magnitude is not equal to 0 and has arbitrary condition. According to this definition is applied, this condition is valid. Here a vector is called zero vector if it has magnitude and has an arbitrary direction. So here is direction, magnitude and direction, no, and has arbitrary direction. Arbitrary direction means that here that vector is making in any angles from any direction. So we can draw it, and here it must be represented by zero vector. Any three vectors, then A cross B plus C, we are using the property, we simplify this result according to the cross product F A cross B plus A cross C plus similarly is equal to plus, we are using here plus what is the result plus, and similarly here B cross C plus B cross A plus C cross A plus C cross B. According to this property, cross product, look here, if we are in three-dimensional space, here A vector and B vector and C vector, and the first vector is A cross B. So the result is automatically C. We get here C and plus A cross C. In the direction is clockwise. So here the result will be equal to minus B and plus B cross C. We put here the is equal to A vector plus B cross A. Direction is clockwise. Here we get minus C vector plus C cross A. We get B vector here and plus C cross B. Direction is clockwise minus A. We check this one, plus into minus B plus A minus C vector plus B vector minus A vector. So C vector is both are cancelled here, minus B plus B, both are equal to 0. So the correct answer is here. We get the correct answer is here. A is the correct answer. A plus B into A plus B into C dot C. So expanding by this property, A dot A plus B plus B vector A plus B vector, so that will be equal to C square, and here we can write A dot A plus A dot B and plus B dot A plus B dot B is equal to C square. a square plus, we can write here 2ab and plus b square is equal to c square. So a square plus b square is given that, already given that this condition, in the place of this result we put c square plus 2ab is equal to c square. We change here this result 2ab is equal to c square minus c square, both are 0. So, and dividing both side by AB, 2 dividing both side by 0 divided by 2, both are cancelled. AB is equal to 0. Now A dot B is equal to 0. It means that A is perpendicular to B vector. So here theta will be 90 degree, and radian is given and pi by 2. And the correct answer is pi by 2. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Please press the button of subscribe.